In this video, we are going to learn how to simplify a very simple algebraic expression following the correct order of operation. Now, we have 24 divided by 8 divided by 24 all over 8. Now, let's have a solution. Now, we are going to simplify the numerator separately. Then later, we divide the result here by 8. Now, let's consider the numerator. We have is 24 divided by 8 divided by 24. Right here, we are going to apply KCF here. K mean keep, C mean change, F mean flip, which implies in which expression we are going to keep 24, we change the sign to multiplication, we flip 8, we change this sign to multiplication, we flip 24. But if we are going to have here 24, know that this can also be expressed as 24 over 1 when we change this different sign to multiplication and we flip it. That gives us 1 all over 8. We change this value sign to multiplication, we flip 24, and that will give us 1 over 24. And right here, you can see that 24 here will eliminate this 24, and we have here 1 over 8. We have 1 over 8 right here as a result of the numerator. Now, the whole expression becomes 1 all over 8 divided by 8. Now, with this, we can also express this as 1 all over 8 divided by 8 all over 1. Here right now, we are going to apply KCF again. Now, we are going to keep 1 all over 8. Then we change this division to multiplication and we flip 8 all over 1. And that will give us 1 all over 8 multiplied by 1 all over 8. Then right here we multiply this out. 1 multiplied by 1, that gives us 1. Then all over 1, 8 multiplied by 8, that gives us 64. And this is the correct answer to this given expression right here. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. See you in the next video.